Legal dictation number 5, 100 words per minute. Ready for the dictation? Start. Further, the learned counsel appearing for the respondent, that is Omega Solutions, submitted that after the order passed by the tribunal, the order of the company law board got clarified through the order of the tribunal full stop. At no point of time in the past the appellants had sought for extension of time to honor their commitment of repaying the invested money with interest full stop. Due to their failure to pay the money within the time prescribed and no sign of attempt to pay the money had resulted in the remote need to invoke the second limb of the company law board order, that is the transfer of land full stop. The declaration of title and vesting of the property is the natural consequence to the decree and not beyond or behind the decree full stop. The order of the NCLT constituted under section 10 of the Companies Act is to be enforced by NCLT itself full stop. Only in case of inability to execute the order, NCLT needs to send the case to the court full stop. Therefore, these appeals lack question of law and they are abuse of law to prevent the original owner from enjoying the fruits of the decree full stop. In exercise of its powers and the discharge of its functions, company law board has to be guided by principles of natural justice and shall act in its discretion full stop. It also has power to regulate its own procedure full stop. Section 634 empowers company law board to execute its own order full stop. It enables company law board to send execution petition to a court in case of its inability to execute such order full stop. It is left to the discretion of company law board that whether it has the ability to execute or not full stop. So application of civil procedure code in journal or order in particular case under Companies Act 1956 can be executed by the National Company Law Tribunal full stop. NCLT executes its order full stop. The guiding principle to be followed is the principle of natural justice full stop. The applicant's case is not that executing the order has violated of principle of natural justice full stop. The appellant's submissions proceed on a fundamentally erroneous basis that the scope of this tribunal's jurisdiction under section 10 is not limited to adjudication of questions of law arising out of the order but also extends to questions of facts in certain circumstances full stop. This is a misreading of the judgments of the Supreme Court full stop close.